and welcome to our YouTube channel. It's me, your one and only friend around the world, Sweet Caroline. Let us be thankful and enjoy the rest of the day.
Hi guys, today I will be having another unboxing. Of course, it's coming from Ford Philippines with their yearly celebration with our media friends for their media Thanksgiving. And here's their gift. And you see, the box is okay, and they really have the presentation. They have the ribbon here. But I guess this ribbon is surely rushed. Maybe they're hungry. Charot. Randolph is hungry. Okay, let us open the... Oops. What are these? Inside the box, you have... three items that are right here. I need to close this because it might fly. So here is the what do you call this? Keychain or bag strap, wrist strap maybe. Also keychain. Okay, it is a leather and see the branding. And of course, try to check and observe. Here is the wallet, or you can put little cards inside. You get to see it's a personalized for yours truly. Wow. Here is the other wallet. This is you can also put cards here, laminated IDs, if you have your passport or your driver's license. And you see it's a personalized for Sweet Caroline. Very nice. Thank you so much for this, Ford Philippines, as always. And happy holidays, advance. Happy and a prosperous new year to everyone. See you around.
Let us be kind and grateful. No matter how hard life is, our Heavenly Father will always be with us. May the love and peace be always with us. Just choose the right path of our lives because everything is already written in the stars. So, be positive, stay positive, and always keep the positive energy.